Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to edit Quora post from your mobile device. For this guys, just open up your Quora application. Now at the top right of your screen, you can see the profile icon. Just click on profile icon. Again, you just need to click on your profile. Now scroll down a bit, you can see your post. Just click on your post. Now at the bottom right of your screen, you can see the three dots. Just click on that three dot button. Now over here, you can see the many options. You just need to click on edit post. Now from here, you can easily edit your post. Now I'm writing from funny video to sweet video. And once you click on post, see guys, your text has been uploaded. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.